Well, I'm here at the Miller stand here at IBC 2017. We always like to come and visit these guys. In fact, we're using a set of Miller sticks and an Arrow 7 head for this camera that we're shooting on today. And to talk about something new at IBC, we've got Joseph. Hi, Joseph.
Hey, how are you?
Yeah, very good. Tell us about this. This is the new Compass CX range.
Yeah, look, we're very excited to actually be launching this here at IBC in 2017. We're standing here in front of the CX2. It's the bottom model out of 5 heads in our new CX range, going right the way through to CX18. Now, the nice little thing about this, as you can see, it's CX. Last year we launched our AX, or our Arrow X, that denotes it's to the power of. It's our Arrow X, it's 16 position counterbalance. And that's exactly what we've incorporated here in our Compass X tripod heads. So with this little one here, the CX2 goes from 0 to 8 kilograms. Right. Which is, as you know, it's such a wide payload range. We have it balanced up here with quite a large camera, but obviously you can take it right down to your small digital SLRs or mirrorless cameras and things like this. We took a lot of work and a lot of insight from users and people in the field, and they really, something that stood out to them was just how flexible payloads are these days. They're always in flux, they're adding external recorders, they're changing different lenses, they're adding different audio setups. So obviously the ability to go from very small to very large very quickly was something that was highlighted as a very important point for this range of heads. A nice little thing we've also added on these is our side loading camera plate. So this here, it just slides in the side, depress your button, and it just snaps on and off. Rather than having to line it up and slide it in, can be a little bit more time consuming. This removes any sort of fiddly element away from actually detaching or reattaching your camera to the tripod. And the nice thing is it's backwards compatible with our other camera plates as well. Brilliant. Yes. So this range goes right the way through. We have 3 in 75mm and 2 in 100mm. So our largest head is the CX18 in our new Compass X range, and that goes from 0 right the way through to 16 kilograms. So that goes right through to larger ENG style applications, and still having that same head, you can put that small mirrorless camera or whatever you'd like on that very same head.
It's amazing. And I was just have a look at the back controls on this as well. Give us a little rundown of what we've got going on here.
So as I mentioned, we're actually using our patented technology, our CB+ technology. So what we achieve our 16 positions, so it's 15 plus 0 to make sure we have that wide range. Now it's a continuous counterbalance system, which means it's very quick and very easy to select what you need to do. We have our large major control knob right here, which allows us to select, and we have our half-step counterbalance here with our CB+. So this obviously makes it very quick and very accessible for the user to be able to adjust anything they need. We still have all the standard features that you like on these sort of tripods, your illuminated bubble levels, removable bottom stud for sliders and things like this. We really designed this with the user in mind.
You've also made some changes to the drag as well.
Yes, so we made a couple of small changes with the drag. We've actually, with our bottom model, our CX2, we've actually made the drag modules a little bit lighter. Because we got, again, a little bit of user feedback. We're constantly listening to people and what they say, what they want. Because generally a lot of our smaller heads are designed to use with smaller cameras. So a lot of people wanted a little bit more, a little bit of a lighter drag, a lighter clutch pack inside it. And we do this now, and as you can feel, it's quite smooth, quite soft. Yeah, it's really user friendly. We keep some of our larger ones back into the CX18 and some of the larger heads, because once you're adding larger payloads, you want that extra drag. Those longer lenses, you really want that extra drag.
I also noticed that the adjustment is slightly different as well.
Oh, absolutely. So we've actually made it a lot more sort of positive. So actually, as you're engaging any of your drag, it actually slides straight into where you want it to be, which makes it a lot easier in the dark, or if you just really want to you get a feel for your equipment, you know exactly where you are at any given point in time.
Fantastic, Joseph. Now, it's obviously the first time we've seen this. What are the availability of these?
We're going to be shipping around the 1st of December. So definitely feel free to get in your pre-orders now. It's going to be available to see on our website, which is www.millertripods.com.
Joseph, thank you very much. Well, there you have it, the new, I'll turn it around for you, Compass CX range of heads. Go and check out the website. You want to find out more about this amazing range of heads. And of course, don't forget to have a look at all the other products that Miller can supply as well. If you want more from IBC 2017, well, of course, you'll find that on our website, and that is KITPLUS.com.